Is dropshipping better than affiliate marketing? Should you start a dropshipping business or should you go for affiliate marketing? And if you're not sure which is the right business model for you, then you are in the right place. Because today, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what these models are all about. Then I'm going to show you what they have in common. We're going to talk about some of the differences between dropshipping and affiliate marketing. And then finally, I'm going to show you what is required of you to do either one of the two business models. So you'll know exactly by the end of this video which is the right business model for you. My name is Rupesh and welcome to this channel, Passive Income for All. It's all about helping you to find the best ways to making real money online. And if you want to get started with making money online, check out my number one recommendation. Just click on a link that is in the description below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. Okay, so this is what we're going to cover today. What is dropshipping? Then I'm going to talk about what affiliate marketing is all about, the common aspects of dropshipping and affiliate marketing, then the core differences between the two business models, and finally what you need to start these business models. And this is going to help you to decide which one is the right one for you. Okay, so the first one, what is dropshipping all about? Now, with dropshipping, you sell products via your own website and you do not have to keep any inventory. When someone buys from your website, you get paid. So you then use that money to purchase the product from a dropshipper, and then this dropshipper will then ship the products on your behalf to the customer. And that is dropshipping in a nutshell. What is affiliate marketing? Now, with affiliate marketing, you bring the buyer and seller together. So basically, you are the middleman. You are an affiliate for the seller. So for every successful transaction that takes place, you would then earn a commission. All right, now we're going to talk about some of the common aspects between these two business models. The first thing is that with each of them, you are not going to be selling any of your own products. Both of these business models are quite popular. So that is good news, because if you are looking to learn more of either one of the two, there are some good training courses out there. Some other things about them is that you get to target a worldwide audience. With both business models, there is the potential to earn a passive income. You can also learn both of these business models in your own spare time. So if you have a job or other commitment, you can register for courses that will teach you in step-by-step fashion how to become a successful dropshipper or affiliate marketer. And at the end of the day, you're going to have to do your very own marketing. Okay, now we're going to talk about some of the differences between dropshipping and affiliate marketing. Difference number one, profit markup. Now with dropshipping, you get to set the markup on the products. So the profit that you're going to be making is the difference between the retail price and the wholesale price. With affiliate marketing, the commission percentage is set by your seller or the affiliate merchant. So if they say it's 5% or 10%, that's how much commission you will earn per product. The second difference is with regards to customer interaction. Now remember, with dropshipping, your dropshipper or your supplier is going to be sending the products or whatever the customer orders directly to them, but it's up to you to make sure that the customer is happy. So you need to focus on customer after sales support. Now, when you come into the other side of affiliate marketing, it's a different story, because there you are sending the customer directly to the affiliate merchant website. So you don't have to worry about any after sales customer support. Then difference number three is all with regards to the traffic method. With dropshipping, most of the time you're going to be engaging in using paid advertising. And if you are brand new to this model, then it can be quite an expensive learning curve for you to master the art of paid advertising. When you come to affiliate marketing, there's lots of free traffic methods that you can utilize for your business. You can do search engine optimization, social media, email marketing, but you can also do the paid advertising if you want to. Then the next difference is with regards to physical and digital product selling. With dropshipping, most of the time you're going to be marketing physical products. With affiliate marketing, on the other hand, you've got a choice. You can market both physical products as well as digital products. The next difference has to do with volume. Now, when it comes to drop shipping, you're going to be selling physical products, But you can't just set up any high markup that you want to, because you must know there's a lot of competitors out there, and there's a possibility that they would be selling the same product that you would be selling. So if you set a very high markup which is not market related, then people are not going to come buying from you. So in other words, that means you can only earn a certain profit per physical item. And that means that you need to concentrate on focusing on selling high volume in order to have a sustainable business on your hand. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, there's a difference there because, like I said, you can still sell digital products. And even though there's a capped commission set by the affiliate merchant, digital products like online courses or SaaS products, SaaS means software as a service, those are very high ticketed products. And that means that, for instance, let's just say it costs $2,000, and even if your commission is $1,000 or $700 or $800, that means you earn a very high commission, and that means you don't have to focus on selling a high volume in order to reach your goals for that month or for that week. And now we've come to the final difference, and that is, of course, your website. With dropshipping, you're going to be needing a website. So you might have to sign up with an e-commerce shopping platform like Shopify or something like that. With affiliate marketing, you don't necessarily need a website or a funnel builder. But if you are doing high ticket affiliate marketing, then I would recommend that you do that. You can also just go ahead and use social media. Now we have come to this part of the video where I'm going to show you what is required of you to be a success in either one of these two business models, so then you can see or decide for yourself which one is the right business model for you. If you are thinking of doing dropshipping, this is what you need to do. Firstly, you have to establish a relationship with the supplier. Then you need to do research on the product that you're going to be selling. You need to do costings, the trending, see what's trending, see what your competitors are up to, and you need to be doing that on a consistent basis so you can be kept ahead of the game. You need to purchase a website, and this includes your domain name, website hosting. You're going to be interacting with your customers, so you need to be on top of your game with customer after sales support. And lastly, you're going to be spending money on ads, so you need to budget for testing and trying out which is the right ads that will convert for your business. All right, now is the affiliate marketing business for you? This is what you need to do. The first thing that you need to do is you need to find a suitable niche. A niche simply means that is what the topic for your business is going to be about, or what the subject of your business is going to be about. This is where you're going to focus a specific area or audience to market to. There are so many different niches out there. Some of the popular ones are like the relationships and dating niche, or you can get the health and fitness niche, or even the make money online niche, which is a niche that I am in. Then of course you're going to have a website or a funnel builder. If you choose not to do that, then you can go on social media. You can do a TikTok channel or Instagram or YouTube channel, and you need to commit to creating content for your business. That's extremely important for your business. Both of them require consistency. Whether you're doing dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or any business for that matter, it's only going to come through perseverance and consistency. And that's where you will see results. That is the difference between dropshipping and affiliate marketing. Is dropshipping a better business model than affiliate marketing, or is affiliate marketing a better business model? At the end of the day, it really does depend on you. Where do you see yourself in this entire picture? You know yourself the best. And I've showed you what is required of each of the business models, and you have a clearer picture now of how they work and what exactly you need to do to become a success. I hope that this video has helped you out. If you still have any other questions or comments, please leave them below this video and I'll be happy to answer them. And if you want to know how you can get started with your very own online business, then feel free to check out my #1 recommendation. I have dropped a link in the description that is below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so now so that we can chat in my next video. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you everything of the best in your online success. See you in my next video. Goodbye.